Hi students, sorry you couldn't make it to our computer science class today, our computer science principles class rather. In our daily agenda, you'll see that we talked code.org. I wanted to make sure that you have created an account, and when you're in lesson 1, we talked about on Friday, I told you that you needed to make sure that you completed every time it said continue or finish or submit so I could verify that you had created your account and that you had done the assignment. Just that your blue bubble, or just that your bubble turns purple and has a check mark, then you know you have completed that assignment, which is great. And then we talked about a breakout session activity that we did in class. If you were absent, you do not need to do the breakout activity. However, you do need to do the form. So if you click on that breakout session link, or it may not be linked, it may just be in modules. And here it is in modules. I'll make sure that I get it linked for you. Here is lesson 1, breakout session. You will want to click on the period that you were absent for, and when you click on it, I just have some questions because I still don't have some of you in code.org. And so I'm going to manually create accounts for those of you that have not created an account in code.org. So last name, first name, have you successfully created a code.org account? Yes or no, and answer the question and press submit. And that's all I have for you today. Oh, one last thing. Homework, supplies. You need to bring supplies to class tomorrow to build something. So think about anything you have laying around that could be crafty. Cups, paper clips, rubber bands, colored paper, glue, scissors, supplies that you'd find in a classroom, or supplies that you just have laying around the house would be fantastic, so you can build something tomorrow. Know that if you do not have these supplies, you can still interact with us, and it's not a big deal, but I'd love to have an email to know if you don't have those supplies. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.